Okay, I think I'm done with these seagulls. They hurt my eardrums. Very, very bad. Very misbehaving ones. Very shitty ones. The classic. Yeah, but the seagulls are not the reason why this vlog happens. I actually want to leave this part of Norway, Lofoten, and go to another part of Norway, also an epic one. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is what a boat ticket looks like. Very, very professional. As you can see, it's hard to fake. Very sophisticated. Yeah, it got everything you need for a blockbuster ticket. Really nice. Okay, I made it to my target destination, and the weather is bad. It looks like it would have been better if I stayed with the shitty seagulls. At least the weather was excellent. Senja is a really nice place, especially in summer. In winter, I can't tell yet. It's not as known as other places in Norway. There are very popular places like Lofoten, for example, is very overrun by tourists. But here in Senja, almost no tourists because it's not much on the radar of a regular tourist. It's quite remote. What is really scary about Senja are the roads. They are very narrow, and especially the tunnels. They have very narrow tunnels, and then you have these millets where you need to drive into and then wait till the upcoming car passes by, and then you can move on. It's so annoying because the locals, they're just driving super fast, and I'm driving super careful and slow, and really take care that I won't rush in any danger. And the locals just they keep hammering down the road, and then when they drive behind me, it always makes me nervous. Oh my god. Let me pause the vlog right there. That's too much snow right now. Alright, so I made it on the ridge, and there's the Sigla mountain. As you can see, it's really epic. I've flown the drone, and just at the last moment when the drone was in the air, there was some lights coming through on the clouds and on the mountain, and then I landed the drone and tried to take a photo, but I think I was just a bit too late with the photo. The best light was gone by then. It was way too short. Although the sunset takes very long, there were many clouds in the way most of the time, and now I get a bit of snow on my face again. So yeah, it's very windy as well. The ascent was really very the snow is very deep, so it was very hard to move up. Took me maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours I think. Yeah, it's very cold up here. I just want to get down. Need to do some butt sliding and get down. And it's very cold. Just want to go in my car and chill a bit. It's really, but the view is amazing. I mean, look at that peak. It's really nice. If you get the right light, then you get a nice image here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, it's just cold. It's just cold. Oh, I haven't been feeling that cold for a long time. I don't know what it is. The wind, the ice, the snow. Something is very cold up here, but yeah, it's a nice place. Sigla. You ascend from Fjordgard, and in summer it's much easier. In winter, I think it makes sense to bring the snowshoes. Yeah, I really wish I had the snowshoes. That would be a major advantage. But okay. You can also bring skiers. Also nice. There's a good way down to ski. I don't know what else to say. I haven't seen any shitty seagulls here. So maybe Senja is a seagull-free island. Fjord island. How do you say? Yeah, if you don't like seagulls, maybe come to Senja. Well, there are probably some, but I haven't seen them. It's weird. At Lofoten there are many seagulls, especially in the villages. Maybe they need the locals and eat the garbage. No, they don't. They eat fish, don't they? I don't know what seagulls do. What do? They make noises and they fly around and they look shitty. I don't know. They are mystery birds. Yeah. Okay. We'll go down and very, very cold. Very, very cold. Ooh. Just to give you an impression of what the snow is like, my shoes always look like this, and yeah, you see snow sometimes goes up to here. Man, I have a hard time holding balance on the snow. So if I would step here, how deep would that be? Yeah, this is like the average step depth you get up to like here. Let's kick this one down here. Oh, this one looks like a good one. Let's see. Oh yeah, it rolls down. You can't see it, but wow. So if you like this vlog, you can hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to follow and see more, you can hit the subscribe button, and you can leave comments, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. I just want to get down now. It's hard. It's cold. Don't come here in winter. Go in summer. Summer is much more pleasant. It's also cold in summer, but it's better. It's better. Yeah. Okay. Have a good time.